check, check, mic check. Maybe checks from spinning on the mic. Might let me write to check myself. Known who I am since day one, but a base stub ain't gonna let 90% of you check yourself. This track is me out on a limb like an amputee. A diss track would've been good, but then I lose up into city. To gain traction, I'm going authentic city. Pity partly, mostly in part because they pulling all the songs. You dogs be showing sadness since 2009. Summertime madness, pitiful pit bulls, just some bullshit.